Hello everyone! Happy Friday! You know where we at now? Nandito po kami sa Boat Shed La Perouse. We are here in La Perouse and this is my baby! Hello! That's our car anyway. You can inhale the fresh air here because we will eat here in Boat Shed by the bay and by the sea. Masarap po ang pagkain dito. We always eat our dinner here with my partner. See? This is the name of the restaurant, the Boat Shed La Perouse. If really busy, kung talagang busy po, you need to have a reservation. If not, just follow the queue and they will give you a seat. But not the hindi yung na gusto mong upuan na ibibigay nila sa'yo. Kung ano yung available seat, whatever the available seats, they will give it to you. Yan po, the Boat Shed. They name it the Boat Shed because, kasi kung nandun po kayo sa, doon sa taas ng, how you call it, the bridge, makikita nyo po siya na, parang boat, courting boat. That's why. And of course, kasi, it's by the bay, by the sea. Yan po ang view. This is the view, guys. Hey! We're having dinner today here at Boat Shed with Marlene, Josephine's sister. Ito po, see? Pati yung, ano nga tawag dyan? Manubela, steering wheel, how to operate the boat. Meron po yan siya. Yan ang mga special nila. At ayan po mga price kapag special. Today's special, fish of the day, King George, whiting, $48.50. Australian dollar. They have the mud crab for $85, guys. Look at that. Ay, sorry. This is my view. Hello! Ito na ang dalawa. Hi, babe! You're on my vlog now. Hello! Hey! In my YouTube. Hello! Say hi to my YouTube. Hi! YouTube. Hello to your vlog. What's your order? My order?
One decaf cup?
Yeah, please. That's my order, guys. Hi, sir. Please. Thank you so much. And I'm very hungry, guys. That's why I ordered watermelon and decaf. I'm waiting for the garlic bread. No. Hi, Mel. Hello. Welcome to Boat Shed La Perouse. She's from America, guys. Sister of Josephine. Yes. What's your order, Mar?
Spirit, pork spirit.
Okay, that's
Pork ribs.
pork ribs. See? Okay, guys. Just a little bit tour. This is in front of us. Did you see that, guys? That's the beach. It's a white sand beach. It's white sand. This is a Kamay Wharf Beach here in Botany. Here in La Perouse. Kamay Wharf, La Perouse. Botany Bay. And that place, you know, that's a pier. Where the cargos from the boat, they unload there. See, guys? Ayan po ang pier. We call it pier. Anyway, pier din sa Philippines siya, kung saan kinakarga yung mga naka-crane na mga cargos. Yan, may boat po doon. Okay. May bridge po doon. Mamaya we will go there. Later on, after we eat, we will go there. That's a new bridge. Kamay Wharf Bridge. Kaya lalayo ko muna kayo konti. That's too close. Yan. We will go there later. Okay, guys, we will enjoy our dinner for tonight. The time now is 4 1:20 in the afternoon here in Sydney. And the time in Philippines, it's a 3 hours difference. We're ahead of 3 hours in Philippines. The time now in Philippines is 1:20 in the afternoon. Okay guys, we will eat first. I had my entree. There. There's the bread. Because we're so hungry. I just ordered bread first. That's an entree. And kain na po tayo. What will you say?
Life is beautiful.
Bon appetit! Cheers! That's nice, guys. Okay. I'll take you a picture, guys. Come on. 1, 2, 3. Okay, guys. Thank you for watching and liking my video. If you have time, just subscribe. It's for free. God bless you all.